Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn listening English with a story. The Gentle Rain. In a quiet green valley lived many little animals and tall trees. The sun shone brightly every day. The animals played and the trees grew tall, but the ground was becoming dry. The leaves on the trees were starting to look a little bit dusty. The flowers were starting to droop. Everyone was waiting for rain. One day, soft gray clouds began to gather in the sky. The sun hid behind the clouds. The air became still and quiet. The animals knew what was coming. Rain was on its way. First, a soft breeze began to blow. It rustled the leaves in the trees and made the grass sway gently. The breeze whispered, "Rain is coming. Rain is coming." Then, little drops of rain began to fall. At first, they were very light, like tiny kisses from the sky. Drip, drop, drip, drop. The drops fell softly on the dry leaves and dusty ground. The little drops grew bigger. The rain started to fall a little bit harder, pitter-patter. The sound of the rain was soft and gentle. It was a calming sound, like a quiet song. The rain fell on the leaves of the trees. It washed away the dust and made the leaves look green and fresh again. The leaves drank the rain and felt happy. The rain fell on the flowers in the valley. It washed their petals clean and gave them water to drink. The flowers lifted their heads and smiled. They were happy to feel the gentle rain. The rain fell on the dry ground. It soaked into the soil, making it soft and wet. The thirsty ground drank the rain deeply. It felt refreshed and alive again. The animals in the valley felt the rain too. Rosie the rabbit sat under a big leaf, watching the rain. She felt the cool drops on her fur. She liked the gentle sound of the rain. It was peaceful and calming. Barnaby the bear found a cozy cave under a rock. He went inside and listened to the rain falling outside. He felt warm and safe in his cave, listening to the gentle rain. Freddie the fox stood under a thick tree. The leaves of the tree protected him from the rain. He watched the raindrops falling on the ground. He liked the way the rain made everything smell fresh and clean. The gentle rain fell for a long time. It wasn't a loud, stormy rain. It was a soft, quiet rain. It rained all afternoon and into the evening. The whole valley was filled with the gentle sound of rain. As night came, the rain started to slow down. The drops became smaller and softer again. Drip, drop, drip, drop. The rain was saying goodnight to the valley. Finally, the rain stopped completely. The clouds moved away and the moon peeked out from behind them. The sky was clear and clean. The air was fresh and cool. The valley was quiet and peaceful after the rain. The trees and flowers were washed clean and looked bright and green. The ground was wet and soft. Everything felt refreshed and happy after the gentle rain. Rosie the rabbit hopped out from under her leaf. She shook her fur and sniffed the fresh air. She felt happy and clean after the rain. Barnaby the bear came out of his cave. He stretched and yawned. He felt relaxed and peaceful after listening to the rain. Freddie the fox stepped out from under the tree. He shook his fur and looked around at the clean, fresh forest. He liked the quietness after the rain. All the animals in the valley felt happy and refreshed after the gentle rain. The rain had washed away the dust and dryness. It had given water to the thirsty plants and made everything feel new again. The gentle rain was a gift to the valley. It was a quiet, peaceful, and kind rain. It helped everything grow and feel alive. And it showed everyone the beauty and calmness of nature. Sometimes the gentlest things can be the most helpful and wonderful, just like the gentle rain that makes the whole valley happy and green. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.